Hello. Welcome to the project deployment tutorial for EcoStruxure Energy Hub mobile experience. In this video, we will explore the details about non-critical load control application in the Site Manager experience in EcoStruxure Energy Hub mobile app. Site Manager experience is focused on energy consumption, load control, and the operational status of essential systems such as lighting, refrigeration, emergency lighting, and non-critical loads in small stores and buildings. In Site Manager mode, you have the option to either manually on-off the non-critical, non-HVAC loads or automate their control using a preset schedule. Non-critical loads are loads that cannot cause a safety hazard or that are not critical to your operations. You can control these loads and monitor the on-off status with Energy Hub. Before getting started, please be aware that for this application to function properly, power tag control I/O devices with contactors or pulse relays and remote indication auxiliaries with a proper feedback loop must be installed for switching the loads in your facility. Also, please make sure your panel server firmware version is 2.1 or above. Configure the panel server through web pages or EcoStruxure Power Commission mobile app. It is important to make sure the power tag control I/O devices are added in the panel server with proper names and that the load control configurations are set. First, you should enable the remote control functionality. Then go to Device Settings of Power Tag Control and configure as per site conditions. The configuration type should be either impulse relay or contactor with feedback loop. Select the I/O type as standard I/O. In the Output-Input Feedback Loop setting, enter the name to identify the load you are controlling. Please make sure that I/O contextualization is set to standard input and usage type as required, like lighting. You may test the control functions here prior to going forward. Connect the gateway to cloud. Add the gateway to the required site in your organization in Energy Hub. Please make sure to watch the video on Energy Hub mobile app basic setup and do the necessary steps before going forward. In Site Manager mode, Home tab, swipe up and select the required tab as per the usage type, like lighting. You can either directly select the on-off control on the status tile of the load for which the control circuit is connected, or select the tile to open the details view, and then control the load from there. You can also see the load on-off status here. You can control non-critical loads automatically with load schedules based on the day of the week and the time of day. For that, first you need to create a load schedule for the specific load. In the Details screen of the load, go to Load Schedules. If there are any existing schedules available, you can view them here. For creating a new schedule, select Add Schedule. Define the schedule name Select the days and times when you want the load to be turned on. Add time periods and day groups as needed. Select Save. Select Edit Schedule to do the required changes and save, or scroll to the bottom of the page and select Delete Schedule to delete. You can toggle the slider control to enable or disable this load schedule. If the panel server is connected to cloud services, the schedule is sent to it. The load schedule allows the panel server to remotely execute scheduled control orders, even if the connection to the cloud is later interrupted. Congratulations! You have successfully configured non-critical load control in Site Manager. Thanks for watching this video. Please watch the videos in the Project Deployment series to easily deploy your EcoStruxure Energy Hub system.